We're going to show you how to turn $60 into $1,000.
We love working on vintage Ethan Allens. For 60 bucks, this thing was in great condition. Let's head to Lowe's and grab some supplies. Our plan is to remove that old finish, so we'll be using stripper, but we have some left over from a previous project. So let's grab some acetone and a cheap paintbrush, and we'll head back to get started. First step, we always clean with a degreaser. This step is important because it helps the stripper fully penetrate into the finish. Shake it up and apply it generously. Once you have a nice even coat, you're going to let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then we'll be back to scrape it all off. If you feel like the finish hasn't lifted enough, you can always repeat the stripping process. Next, we want to remove all that chemical residue, so we'll grab acetone and an abrasive pad and get to scrubbing. Once all that gunk is removed, we'll sand with a 120 grit down to raw wood. So far, it's looking beautiful. We're going to strip the entire piece, and then we're doing a paint wash. This light tan color gives the perfect finish. You're going to mix with equal parts water and then spritz your surface, and you're ready to apply. As you can see, we're working in sections. You don't want to let this sit for too long because then it will start acting more as a paint than a wash. Pretty much as soon as you're done applying, you'll grab a clean rag and start wiping away and pushing it into the grain. Keep wiping until all those visible streaks are gone. The last step is to seal the piece, and then we'll restore and polish our hardware. Here's a quick reminder of what we started with and the final result. Those natural variations in tone and grain are stunning. This is a quality heirloom piece meant to last generations, so we're going to list at $1,100. Let us know how we did in the comments and follow for more.